Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine. I Amit Chadda welcome you to my channel. Here today we are going to discuss about filter option in MS Excel, which is a very powerful and useful tool in data analysis. So right now we are going to analyze a very small data, but believe me, when you will analyze a big data, then you will realize then how powerful the filter option is. So let's start with use of filter option. So there are two ways to insert filter. One is using a shortcut key, which is Control Shift L. So the moment I press the Control Shift L, you can see there is a filter option is appearing on the title or headings of the columns. So to remove the filter option, I will again press Ctrl Shift L. There is another way. Go to menu bar, click data and click on the filter option. So now in this data there are multiple columns: candidate name, company name, designation, salary, mobile, location. So I need a people who are working in USA, but in this data I cannot easily see how many people are working in USA. So there is option. I will click on the location, uncheck everything and check the USA and click OK. So the moment we click OK, it shows all the candidates who are working in this location. So if I need a data of people who are working in India, so I will check India and click OK. So the moment I click OK, you can see the filter option is showing me data of all the candidates who are working only in India location. So now you can see how easily the filter option is giving me data to analyze it very effectively. Now further, in India location, if I need a person who is accountant, so I will uncheck everything and click only accountant and click OK. So now it is showing me only one entry. So the candidate name A, company name ABC and designation is accountant. Only one entry is showing in this entire data, so that we can analyze our data very effectively by using the filter option. So there are many other options in filter. You can see there is sort A to Z, sort Z to A. So if I press the sort, you can easily see that my data is alphabetically sorted out. If I sort by color, okay, so for example, my data has different colors: green, green, green. So in the middle there is yellow, yellow, and there are many other colors: red, 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 and green, green. So now if I press this option sort by color, so now you can see there are three colors showing. So if I click on red, so my data which is red in color will be sorted out. If I click green, so my data which is in green color will be sorted out. And if I press yellow, so my data in yellow color will be sorted out. So now if I want to filter by color and I press green, so only data which is green in color will be filtered out. So I can easily select this data, copy this data and paste it in a different location if I want to analyze only this data. If I want to filter yellow, so all the data which is yellow in color will be filtered out. So now you can easily analyze the data by color also. Now remove the filter by pressing Ctrl Shift L and again insert the filter by pressing shortcut key, which is Ctrl Shift L. So now there is another option, text filters. So there are other options also in text filters: equals, does not equal, begins with, ends with, contains, does not contain, custom filter. For example, I choose this option, contains, and I want the data which has D letter, D alphabet, and I press OK. So you can easily see that only those locations are showing which have D alphabets. So in my drop down list there are other locations also. Australia, this location does not have D alphabet. England, this has D alphabet. India, this has D alphabet. UK and USA, these locations are not having D alphabets. So only England and India is having D alphabet. So only England and India is showing here. So you can easily filter the data with text filter also. So guys, I request you to please practice the filter option, and if you find any difficulty or if you have any suggestions, I request you to please write in the comment box. And if you find this video is informative to you, then please like my videos, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends also. And yes, please press bell notification so that you can also receive notifications when I upload a new video. Thank you very much.